Sarah from Jimmy Beans Wool, and I'm here to talk about the Cascade Cloud yarn. This yarn is super duper soft. I would love to make something with it. It's 70% merino wool and 30% baby alpaca. It is a yarn you want to hand wash. You don't want it to shrink when you put it in the washing machine. It's a nice worsted weight. It's, let's see, for 4 inches, there's 18 stitches on a size US 9 needles, and it comes with 164 yards. And if you look at it, it has a pretty interesting construction. It has like little chains that make up the strands, so it'll be really nice for making some nice chunky, really warm scarves for the winter. I would love to stock up on some of this to make something super warm and soft. It's just something you'd want to cuddle with on those cold days. The colors, they're really lovely. It comes in, these aren't the only colors that we have, so it's a pretty wide variety of colors. Again, it's just super soft and lovely yarn. I would love to make stuff with it. Again, this is the Cascade Cloud. My name is Sarah Lee. Thanks for watching.
Thunder rumbles on this American summer night.